Caveman sea portal, sea descendant, small, disappointed. Caveman teach. Challenge muscle. Muscle grow when challenged. Do push-up. Hands near chest. Body straight like a stick. Go down slow. Do not touch ground. Then push. Then repeat. Do until cannot. Then rest 5 minutes. Do again 2 to 3 times. If too weak, use knees. Now muscle is damaged. Eat protein. Egg, meat, chicken, milk. Protein used to fix muscle. Eat more than what you used to. If you eat 1 egg per day, do 2 eggs per day. If no protein, muscles stay damaged. No grow. Sleep. Sleep 6 to 8 hours. Muscle grow in sleep. No sleep, no grow. Repeat many days. Muscle don't grow in 1 day. Keep doing and muscle will be like me. Oop, portal closing. Recap. Okay, good. See you next time.